shells, buddy? Yeah, you finding some shells? Cool. Caroline's finding some too. What'd you see? Oh, good girl. You throwing it in the Gulf? You gonna throw it in the water? Good job. Good job, buddy. You got it. You throw it in. Whee! All right. All right. Good throw. Good job, buddy.